Hello, good day, good morning ka-AI. So, ito yung ating AXS dito sa Ronin Wallet. So, naka-bear market yung ating AXS today. So, nasa $2.39 ang isang AXS na token. Okay? So, mag-i-stake tayo para madagdagan yung ating stake asset. Okay? Ito sa staking. Ayan. So, ito yung ating dashboard sa ating staking AXS. So, meron tayong total stake na 1,435.107 AXS. So, meron tayong claimable na rewards na 2.327991 AXS. So, i-restake natin yan para madagdagan yung ating staking. Okay? So, click mo yung restake. So, claiming and restaking 2.327991. So, 2.39 ang ating price. So, itatimes nyo sa 2.32. So, i-compute nyo kung magkano yung ating income ngayon. Okay? Daily. So, restake natin para madagdagan yung ating staking. So, kailangan mo ng Ronin Wallet. So, gas fee 0.0075. So, confirm. Then, waiting natin ma-claim o ma-restake yung ating XS. Okay? So, araw-araw tayo mag-restake para dumama yung ating AXS. So, sabi ko nga, sa December tayo kukurot. Okay, so, transaction success. Ayan, so kayo na, 1,435 dyan. So, 1,437 yung ating total stakes. Okay? So, wag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Subscribe now, JotanBit TV, para ma-update ka sa mga next video ko. Okay? So, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.